Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving the second quantity for CCC senior contest. It is called heavy light composition. So we call a letter heavy if it appears more than once in the string and light otherwise. And we have to determine if the letters of a string alternate between light and heavy. So this is the Python 3 version of the code. So first we're going to have to import counter so we can use it later. N and M is going to be the number of rows and the number of columns respectively. And then we're going to make a loop here. So S is going to be where the strings are stored. And then we're going to make C a counter of S. So C stores the number of times each character appears in S. And then we're going to make another loop. So A is going to be the number of times SI appears, and B is going to be the number of times SI minus 1 appears. We're going to make a flag here. And here we check if A and B are both heavy or if they're both light. And if either of those are the case, then we print F and then make the flag 1. And we break because that means it doesn't alternate. And if it does alternate, then flag stays at 0 this whole time. And if flag is at 0, then we can print T. And this will repeat n times. And this is a C++ version of the code. Thanks for watching.